Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, I know a lot of you must have participated in the Evmos by staking on spacefy.io. So, and I know most of you must have even forgotten I said we move from spacefy to Gata, and now I want to show you how to move from spacefy to Gata because I'm moving from spacefy. I noticed spacefy has not been serious, which I actually asked one of my guys who's always current with Evmos chain. So now, since Gata Spacefire is not serious and Gata will be running their snapshot, they'll be taking their snapshot very soon. So I think it's better to just stake on Gata. Let's go for Gata and stake on Gata rather instead. So now I'm moving. If you notice, you see that I have 160 Evmos staked. But let me just reject. I'll be taking it now. The reason why I'm rejecting is because I want to pile them. I'm waiting for 2 days because I'm on delegating 60 out of my Evmos. I want to start stacking up some Juno. I want to have some Juno as well. So I want to make sure I want to keep stacking them till I can raise up to minimum of maybe 100 Juno or thereabout. So now we need to go to this is it. You can see I have spacefy. This is what I need you to check. See, check here. You can see 60 Evmos, 2 days remaining. I'm on delegating it. So that means this 60 that you are seeing, it's not counting among the rewards I'll be getting. It will not take part. So that's why you see that my reward to claim is just 1. I didn't mean it was when I was having 60, I claimed 2 point something Evmos every day. But since I'm taking this one, I only get 1. I only have 100 Evmos staked on Spacefy now. So that's the only available thing on Spacefy. So now to move from Spacefy now, when you come to this platform, as I've dropped for us earlier, you can see this is the name, the Weblad chain Evmos site where you manage, you do everything you want to do. That's where you on delegate. That's where you stake. That's where you can do the staking. There are other nodes you can use, but this one is one of the coolest one I use that works fine. So I'll drop the link for this so that you can use it to also redelegate your Evmos. So just click on manage. This is manage here. Just click on manage. Once you click on manage, click you want to redelegate. Please don't make mistake of clicking on delegate. Once you on delegate, you do the same thing I just did here, and once you click down on delegate, it will take you 14 days to get back your Evmos, and within that 14 days you will not be earning any reward. So just redelegate. It will now ask you where you want to redelegate to. The reason why you see my screen this time, I'm using desktop screen, so that's why then now I will look for Gata. You can just, instead of searching, if you don't want to go through the stress of searching, you can just click on this search button, just search Gata. So you can see this is gata.io. So this is Gata. Then I can click on Gata DAO validation. So you click next. As you can see, next below. So now here, how much am I redelegating? I'm redelegating everything. I have 100 Evmos. So I'm redelegating 100 Evmos on Spacefy to Gata.io. So now I just need to approve the transaction. Approve. So I'll go back to the page. I think this is the page, if I'm not mistaken. So here, let's check if the transaction has been approved. Oh, it said out of gas. I think there is an error with this page. So what I'll do is I'll change the node. Let's go for the other nodes and see if it will work, because sometimes some nodes work, some doesn't. So that's one good thing about it. So let's go for some other nodes. This is not for the staking. Okay, let me just pause the video and go and copy the nodes to use. Sorry. So I have the Evmos staking node now. Let's go. Yeah, this is sorry. What am I doing? This is it. So this is the node now. I'll drop the node for you, the link in the video description section. So this is, you just click on connect wallet. Then I'm using Kepler wallet, so I'll click on Kepler. So here, let me just refresh the page. This is how the page should look like. So here you can see, as you can see, we have staking, we have validators, we have staking, we have validators. So you just click on validators, which is this one. So after clicking on validators, you will see where your current stake is. So you can just click on manage, redelegate, click on redelegate, and using max. So where I'm redelegating to now is Gata. Just search Gata. This is Gata down. So I'll click on max. I've already clicked on max. Then we'll click on redelegate. I think this node is one of the best nodes to use for the stuff, to avoid all those out of gas error. So you can see when it's approved, you see that it will just take you to a blank. You can see successfully broadcasted. So now let's check our staking. The staking should now be showing Gata and not, you can see it's now Gata and not spaced out anymore. So this one is perfectly okay. So this thing has been done, and our reward has been claimed as well. So the reward I have earlier has been claimed. So it has to be claimed because and the reward was what I got from Space5. So now Gata DAO validation is now the one. So right now all you need to do is just wait for because last time I checked, they said Gata will be taking a snapshot in 8 weeks, and I think we've done like 4 or 5 weeks since then. So let me just check something on Twitter. If I see anything, I will resume the video. If I don't, maybe in my subsequent video I'll talk about it. So when I checked the Gata platform just now, you can see this is what I saw about Gata on Evmos chain. So they say congratulations Gata for more than 250,000 Evmos are now staked with DAO validator. So they've not really spoke about, they didn't talk about anything that has to do with the snapshot. But earlier, that 8 weeks, I think we have just a week or 2 left. So the earlier the better though. At least maximum, let's just hold for the minimum of 3 weeks, so that no matter how, we'll fall within the range of their snapshot. So that's basically what we should do. So even if we are not sure of the exact date, at least we should fall within the range of when they will be taking it. So thank you very much for watching the video. As I always say, if you're here for the first time, if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on notification to always receive notification from my new videos once I drop them. So see you some other time. I'll be dropping some more updates, and if you're yet to join our social media handles for crypto signals, you can do so. So thank you very much guys. Bye.